Hello there. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I am Octavia Klein, your social media guru and coach. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite content calendar. Okay, so I have tried Flick and I have tried Planoly, and all of those are really great. Calendar apps and all those are really great content calendar apps. They also cost a lot of money. And I found that I didn't really love them for one main reason. Okay, one main reason, which is most of the content that I post requires a trending sound. So if you are creating original content that you don't need trending sounds, those apps might work really, really well for you. But for me, I like to create content that I use the trending sound bites, which is also going to help push the algorithm and get my content seen by more people. You are not able to add trending sounds inside of Calendly or Flick at this point in time, okay? Right now, we are in June 2024. And as far as I know, that is not allowed. Okay. You can only do that inside of the app. So you can only add the trending sound inside of Instagram or inside of TikTok or inside of YouTube Shorts or any of those platforms. Okay. So with that said, it's like, well, I have to post these anyways. They're not even going to post it for me. And I just found them to be not very user friendly and kind of pricey. I mean, $29.99 a month um, for Planoly. Planoly's $29.99 a month. Flick was, I believe, around the same price, and it goes up from there. And it didn't really give me a lot of hashtag information as well. Okay, so I kind of like to do my own hashtag research and see what works for me and what doesn't work for me. And I just found that the best one to use is Trello. So I'm going to show you that now, my Trello board. If you would like to learn more from me, I do have a free guide below. It is my Ultimate Content Creators Guide. So if you are somebody who is new to creating content and just need a little guidebook to get you started, you can grab that below. There is a free link for that. And here's the outro, Ms. Sophia. Well, I hope you enjoyed this presentation on Trello. I absolutely love Trello. Again, you can use the free version of Trello. There's also a paid version as well, but you can use the free version of it. And if you would like access to this Trello board, it is in my paid course, which is called Content CreateHer Pro. Content Creator Pro has so much juicy stuff in there for getting started with creating content. It's got my triple formula. It teaches you how to use ChatGPT to create more content. It teaches you how to edit in CapCut on the phone and on your desktop. It teaches you how to create better photos and videos with your smartphone. I have been a photographer for 13 years. I have been a professional photographer. I have been a professional photographer for 13 years. I could definitely teach you how to take better photos and videos with a pro camera, but on a phone, I got you. Okay. So I teach you how to just create and streamline your content creation process. So if you're somebody who is, you're just not consistent with social media and you want to be more consistent, I give you the strategy in here to have a consistent game plan and to always have content ideas on deck. I give you a year's worth of content ideas, and to how to organize that content so that you always have content ready to go, and you're never in that rut of going, oh my God, I need to post something today, right? So you can find the link for that below this video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.